So, good day everyone. My name is Charles Waimiot from a BSc PE 4A. So today, I will discuss to you my financial model of my product, which is AeroCrisp. So here, you today you will see here the um, my formula are also my Excel model and financials also. You will see here my expenses, um, my operating profit, and also a sum of sum of the total of it. Then um how do I say this? So imagine AeroCrisp is a like a planting is small mango tree. So in the first year, it only gives a few fruits, diba? Then that's a small revenue at the start, but you still need a fertilizer, water, tools, some of that, and also those all are cost, right? So as the year goes by, the tree grows bigger, produces more mango trees, and you sell more. That's the revenue. That's the revenue increasing each year, and also um, by the few for example, by the fifth year, the tree is um, fully growing, giving a basket of fruit. That's where the profit becomes really big, like if it's 5 years or past some of it. Then so basically the financial model is like a story of how a little, what do you call this, mango tree turns into a fruit farm, but like I said earlier. So showing money starts in small, grows, and eventually make it big return. So um, here you will also see my revenue or also my sales per year. So first year is one 1999, then second year is 3999, so forth and so on. And also uh second one is the cost of goods, right? So in cost of goods, these are expenses directly related to making a delivering product you've been shown. So for example, manufacturing cost from 800 to 1600 to 800, for 200 also, and 5250. And also you will see a order uh, fulfillment cost from a 240. Each year it getting increases, right? Then third one is gross profit. Like what I said, gross profit equals revenue and total of ACOG. So example, first year is 1999, then um the revenue is 1040, and the total will be a 959. So by the year by the fifth year, yeah, gross profit grows to a 6299. Then in revenue, uh, is the money coming in, and COGS are the cost to produce and deliver. Then the uh, gross profit is what left after covering product cost. So now for the AeroCrisp model in my product, I wasn't able to open it because I mean, oh, I mean, nothing less, but you will again see here our other process regarding for my a financial model. So I think that's all for today. Thank you.